मैं आपको बताऊंगी डॉग स्पॉट्स को कैसे मिटाएं। और ये वीडियो देखने से पहले प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल और अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे करें। इसके लिए हमें चाहिए एलोवेरा जेल और एक पेस्ट, और इसे हम मिक्स करेंगे और इसे हम हफ्ते में 2 बार लगाएंगे अच्छे रिजल्ट्स के लिए। तो पहले हम इसमें पेस्ट को डालेंगे थोड़ा सा, और थोड़ा सा एलोवेरा जेल, और इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे। इसे अपने चेहरे पे हफ्ते में 2 बार लगाइए बेहतर रिजल्ट्स के लिए, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू। मेरा फेसबुक डिस्प्ले आ दीजिएगा, और मेरे वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए शुक्रिया, और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। थैंक यू।
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the benefits of using honey. Okay friends, before going to start the uses of this honey, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Friends, by using honey, see, this is very fresh honey. You can see this. Friends, honey is not only useful and beneficial for health, and also it is also very helpful in getting better, fairer skin also. Daily use 2 tablespoons of honey with milk. It will make your skin very look fresh and glow. And also, if you rub this honey on your dark spots on your face in a circular motion like this, then also you'll get rid of those dark spots from your face. Friends, and one more thing, if you take lemon and honey in the early morning after having your breakfast or before breakfast, it will give instant energy, and it will give all vitamins and strength and all these kind of things to your body, and it will make very healthy and gives fresh look for your skin. And also honey will be used in lot of medicines nowadays. And one more thing, well, first of all you have to choose the best and pure honey. In market nowadays we are finding lot of honeys, but none of them were genuine and fresh or pure honey, because in these days lot of fake honey companies like that we are getting. But first of all you need to choose the pure honey, then try this. Definitely you'll improve your health, and also you will improve your fairness and beauty of your skin also. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.